powerful sandstorm swept across eastern Libya on January 20th, 2026, turning skies reddish-orange and creating extremely hazardous conditions for residents. The storm was driven by strong winds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, lifting huge amounts of dust and sand into the atmosphere and reducing visibility to near zero in many areas. The dust storm halted flights at major airports, including Mitiga in Tripoli and Benina in Benghazi, and forced schools to close, with movement restricted due to dangerous road conditions. Medical sources reported that one person was killed when a home ceiling collapsed in central Benghazi, and emergency services treated more than 10,500 people for dust-related issues, such as breathing difficulties. Residents struggled to navigate in the thick orange haze as authorities issued warnings on poor air quality. Libya's Meteorological Center said the storm originated from a North Atlantic low-pressure system that picked up desert dust before hitting the country and was expected to weaken as it moved east toward Egypt.